number of elements in A is 39, in B is 37, then they have given us A intersection B is 11. So they are asking us to find all these. They are asking us to find all this. Let me zoom it so you can see it properly. I think now you'll be able to see. Now you'll be able to see. So, for example, in my case, in this case, I have A intersection B. This is my universal set. So, number of elements in the universal set are 73. In A are 39. So this one is 39. Let me draw it here so it will become easier. Now it will become easier to see. So universal is 73. A is 39. This is 39. A complement, B is 37. And A intersection B is 11. This is 11. Now see, 11 are the common elements in A and B. So you will have to write the name of A, B, universal set. Now 11 are common between A and B. Now if you are able to think it, and if you have doubt, please ask me in the comments. So if this is 11, only the unique, if I have to see in A, they will be 28. Why? 28 plus 11 is 39. So 37 are there in B, but the common between A and B are 11. So the unique in B would be 26. So basically what I'm trying to say is, in terms of my terminology, A minus B, number of elements of A minus B would be 2. Number of elements of B minus A would be 28, and this would be 26. And this 11 is basically A intersection B. Number of elements in A intersection B. This is 11. In terms of my set terminology, this is what it implies. Now let me look at the, basically, okay, let's ignore the question for a while and I'll share some other things here. So for example, now if I have to see the number of elements in A minus B complement, or number of elements in B minus A complement, or number of elements in A intersection B complement. So see, leave all the elements in A minus B and consider rest. So that would be equal to 73 minus 28. 73 minus 28. B minus A 73 minus 26. A intersection B complement would be 73 minus 11. I hope you are getting it. So from the universal set, you take out whatever, because complement you take whatever is there in your set. This is what it implies. So if you want the answers, this would be 30, 43, 45. This would be 30, 43, 47. This would be 60. So these would be the answers of the question which I am asking. Let us see what is being actually asked in the question. So they are asking you about A intersection B. So number of elements in A union B. A union B. Let us find A union B. So A union B would be 28 plus 11 plus 26. So this would be 37. So this would be 65. So A union B is 65. Now I don't know whether this is being asked or not, but let us say A union B complement. This would be 73 minus 65. So this would be 8. So basically, if you try to understand, so there would be some, 8 elements sort of which are not being there either in A or in B. So there are 8 other elements which are there in the universal set, but they are not in A and B. So try to think about this. So n of A complement would be universal set minus whatever number is there in A. So if universal is 73, minus whatever is there in A. So A was 39. If you had to find n of B complement, that would be 73 minus whatever there in B, 37. So I'm adding a lot of extra questions also so that you really understand what is going on. N of A minus B we have calculated. N of A union B complement. A union B complement. All you guys who are paying attention, you would have understood that A union B complement would be 8. So number of elements would be 8. So this is the example 9. Beautiful question.